Hey everyone, welcome back to the Review Scout. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I'm always on the lookout for tools and systems that claim to make online business easier. Sometimes those claims turn out to be hype, and sometimes they're surprisingly solid. Today's review is all about something called the Affiliate Automation Academy. I've spent some time digging through what it offers, and I'm going to give you the full breakdown in plain English. My goal is to help you see whether this is just another shiny object or whether it's something you can actually use to build an income stream online. So, what is the Affiliate Automation Academy? In simple terms, it's a program that teaches you how to build a one-person affiliate business using Instagram and a lot of automation. That phrase might sound intimidating, but don't worry. It's designed to be the opposite of complicated. The whole point is to avoid the usual time-sucking traps that come with starting an online business. You don't need to create your own product. You don't need to film yourself talking on camera. You don't need to run expensive ads. And you don't need to spend hours designing websites. Instead, you set up an Instagram profile, use a proven system for posting ultra-short 4-second videos, and let the algorithm push them out to thousands of people. The people who check out your profile see your affiliate link, and that's where your commissions come from. What makes this stand out is the type of commissions they're aiming for. Instead of chasing a few dollars here and there, the Academy focuses on high-ticket affiliate offers. That means you could make $1,000 or even $2,000 from a single sale. So the strategy is about working smart, not working endlessly. If one sale equals what most beginners earn after dozens of smaller transactions, then the effort you put in becomes much more worthwhile. The promise is that you can run this whole business in just 20 minutes a day once you've done the initial setup. That's a big selling point, especially for people with jobs, families, or other commitments. Imagine being able to spend a small slice of your day uploading a short video, doing a couple of quick engagement tasks, and then moving on with your life, all while building something that generates commissions in the background. That's the lifestyle they're selling here, one that gives you freedom of time and place rather than chaining you to your laptop. Inside the Academy, you get a step-by-step training that shows you exactly how to set things up. There's a masterclass where the creator, Ryan, literally walks you through creating a brand new affiliate automation business from scratch. You also get lessons on how to choose the right offers, with a data-driven approach to picking products that are profitable and evergreen. There's training on posting strategy, how to schedule your content for maximum reach, and even how to engage with your audience without spending hours chatting. One of the most practical features is the viral copy and paste video creation system. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what kind of content to post, you're shown how to take proven video formats that already perform well and adapt them for your account. That way, you're not reinventing the wheel, and you're not pressured to become a video editor overnight. It's all about speed and replication. The system also covers things like how to set up or even buy Instagram accounts that already look professional, with optimized bios and templates ready to go. Then there's the Tech Stack Guide, which lays out the tools and resources you need. None of them are overly complicated, and the Academy includes templates and scripts to make the whole process easier. Once you're running, the daily task framework kicks in. This is basically your roadmap for those 20 minutes each day. It tells you what to post, when to post, how to check engagement, and how to let the automation take care of the rest. There's also a profit maximization section, which goes deeper into automated DM follow-ups and messaging strategies. Those are the behind-the-scenes touches that can double or triple conversion rates. And because it's automated, you're not sitting there glued to your phone, waiting for strangers to reply. On top of the core training, the Academy adds a stack of bonuses. These include things like a $10,000 workday walkthrough, where you see exactly what the routine looks like, a commission doubling strategy that shows you how to go from smaller commissions to $1,000 payouts, and access to a private community where you can get support. There are also templates for Canva, research lists of profitable niches, scaling strategies using ads once you're ready, and even case studies showing beginners who hit their first $1,000 in under a month. All of this is packaged with a price tag that's surprisingly low compared to most courses. Normally, they say the value adds up to nearly $10,000, but during the current promotion, you can get everything for just $27. Even if the real value isn't that high, it's clear that you're getting a lot of structured content, tools, and support for a very small price. That's part why this program has been attracting attention. It lowers the barrier to entry, so almost anyone can give a shot. Now, let's take a step back and talk realistically. Does this system guarantee results? No, and they make that clear in the disclaimers. The success stories they showcase are impressive. Lucy earning her first $1,000 in just 5 days, Ashley pulling in $8,000 in less than a month, Zishan making over $100,000 in 2 months. But those results aren't typical. What's important is that the system gives you a framework that has worked for others. Your outcome will depend on consistency, effort, and sometimes a little luck. It's also worth noting that Instagram is always changing. Algorithms shift, trends come and go, and the way people consume content evolves. That means no method is completely future-proof. However, because the Academy teaches you how to leverage what's already working and adapt quickly, you're in a better position than if you were trying to figure it all out alone. The story of the creator, Ryan, adds some credibility. He talks openly about being broke, working low-paying jobs, and struggling before finding success online. He made millions, but also experienced burnout when running a larger business with staff and endless stress. That's when he stripped everything down, moved to Bali, and rebuilt his business to be simple, lean, and manageable. Affiliate automation is a result of that shift. It's designed to give you income without the constant hustle, and that theme of freedom runs throughout the entire course. So who is this program best suited for? I'd say it's ideal for beginners who feel overwhelmed by traditional online business models. If you don't want to be on camera, don't want to build websites, and don't want to gamble with expensive ads, this could be a good fit. It's also suited for people who have limited time but are willing to be consistent. Even if you have just half an hour a day to spare, you can work the system. On the other hand, if you're looking for something where you put in zero effort and expect money to magically appear, you'll be disappointed. It's simple, but it still requires you to show up. Overall, the Affiliate Automation Academy is a low-cost, beginner-friendly way to start in affiliate marketing with a system that emphasizes automation, high-ticket commissions, and short daily work. The risk is small, the process is laid out step by step, and the potential upside is significant if you stick with it. It won't turn you into a millionaire overnight, but it can give you a realistic path to building extra income or even scaling to full-time earnings over time. And that's my full review of the Affiliate Automation Academy. Hopefully, this helped you see the bigger picture and decide whether it's worth trying. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Review Scout, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another breakdown. If you want to check out the program for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.